Over the past week, the Australian Securities Exchange ASX has demonstrated notable activity across various sectors, influenced by economic data releases and corporate developments. Market performance. The benchmark S&P ASX 200 index experienced a series of gains, culminating in a 0.71% rise to close at 7,999 points on Wednesday, March 26, 2025. This marks the fifth consecutive day of growth, driven primarily by strong performances in the banking and mining sectors. Sector highlights. Banking. Major banks contributed significantly to the market's upward trajectory. Commonwealth Bank rose by 1.07%, Westpac by 1.15%, National Australia Bank NAB by 0.68%, and ANZ surged by 2.97%. Mining. The materials sector also saw positive movement, with BHP, Fortescue Metals Group, and Rio Tinto posting gains. Notably, Vulcan Energy's shares surged by 12.84% following the European Commission's highlighting of its Lionheart lithium project. Retail. Post-budget optimism led to a rally in retail shares. Government initiatives aimed at alleviating cost-of-living pressures were perceived as supportive of consumer demand, benefiting companies in the electronics, retail, and airline sectors. Economic indicators. The recent rally was bolstered by lower-than-expected Consumer Price Index (CPI) data, which has fostered investor optimism regarding a potential interest rate cut by the Reserve Bank of Australia (RBA) in May. This sentiment has particularly buoyed sectors sensitive to interest rate movements, such as banking and consumer discretionary. Corporate developments, mergers, and acquisitions. James Hardie shares declined by 14.53% after announcing a merger, reflecting investor apprehension about the deal's implications. Energy sector. Paladin Energy experienced an 11.58% drop due to production disruptions in Namibia, highlighting the operational risks inherent in the energy sector. Investor outlook. While the ASX has shown resilience, investors remain cautious amid global trade uncertainties and domestic economic challenges. The upcoming federal budget and further economic data releases are anticipated to provide additional insights into the market's direction in the coming weeks.